I found a friend of mine who owned one of the Korean water machine, which is look very fancy to me, and it producing all kinds of alkaline water, strong acid water. And I'm just recently testing the drinking water. They give quite good strong alkaline water for drinking. Now I'm testing with the acid water. Now I'm trying to compare between this machine and the KA from the energy company, see how it's go. Now as you can see, the top water hole now running, I'm collecting now, it producing 10 point pH. Now the bottom water hole I'm collecting it is give you a strong acid water. Okay, so after I collecting this water, I slow down the water, cut off the water, and I'm using the ORP meter to testing and see how good of the water. Now the number it jump up to minus 300 200 something. It came from the top water hole. It give you high and strong alkaline. Now you can see that the number jump up and down quite different. Now the number here is the lower water hole. It give you a strong acid. As you can see, the number only say 212.18 MV. The MV is it represent for millivolt. Now, in order to have a strong acid doing to kill germ and bacteria, it's supposed to have 1,000 MV or more. Now, this machine is only producing 216 MV only. Those in here, it make a big difference between the machine came from Korea. Now, as you can see, the 236 MV, it mean it's not strong enough to killing germ. Now, because of that, the top water hole only give you 10 point pH only. So that's why here I try to testing this water and show you what is the big difference between the Korean machine. Now I'm using my own machine, which is they call it KA, came from the energy company and made by Japan. So now you already seen the Korean machine, and now I am trying collecting my own water. So I turn on the water and marking in 2.5 into the empty jug, collecting 2.5, and then another empty jug, mark it 11.5. So now you can see the water start running now, and I'm going to collecting these two type of the water to compare and show you what the difference. Now I'm going to press the 2.5 strong acid water, which is that this machine will be producing the top water hole will be become 11.5 pH, and then the bottom hole water, which is that collecting 2.5 type of water. Okay, now as you can see, I'm trying collecting these two type of water to compare and see what is all about. Now, when I'm using 2.5 strong acid, the big difference here is the kill germ. Most of the hospital in Japan or North America, they are using 2.5 strong acid to kill germ, bacteria, and that type of thing. Now, we maybe have enough water to compare and show you. So I'm stopping the water right now. Okay, so then I will using this 11.5 put into the class and show you what is the difference. The next one here is 2.5. This is the strong acid. So now you can see I'm collecting two type of different water. Once again, I'm using the ORP machine. You can see the two different type of the water. I'm just collecting very nice and fresh. So right now, the machine I'm using it right now, it had been producing very nice and strong kind of water. I really love this one here. Now, okay, the ORP machine again. I'm testing the water. This one now 11.5. I put this measuring stick into this one. You see it, the number it jump up to minus 685, minus 670. So around thing here, that is very high, strong alkaline. So as you can see, the number jumped quite high. It's minus 600 something, 645, something like that. Now I'll be moving to this one to the 2.5. I put this one into the water. You can see the number, it go higher, 900, 1,000, and it go up to 1,000 and 1,100 right now. See, you can see 1,100 something. Now that's the big difference between this number compared with the one the Korean machine producing the strong oxidant. This is 11, 22, 23. This is quite very high because if you know anything, bacteria, germ, or bad virus, something like that, they cannot survive around 1,000 MV. Once again, this is give you 1136 MV. That is very strong and nice. That's a quite big difference because if I don't do this one here, I don't show you this number here, probably you don't believe it. And you know, most of the hospital in Japan and North America, they are qualified. This is called a medical device. Had been approved by Water Association, the World Water Quality Association, certified and tested, and also give this is the gold seal. So you know, over the year, there's so many products on the market. This product has been on to the 23 countries and 38 locations around the world. And it's been there for 44 years, a long time. And that's why here maybe some people know about this product, but somebody don't know. And that's why I would like to try to explain to you the difference between the Korean machine. They are very nice machine. There's nothing wrong with that. However, you know, you probably should choose the best machine that you can use. Good for you, good for family, and in the long run. Now, I'm going to drop in a pH test into this kind of water. You can see the water turn into purple color. The purple color, as you can see on the picture on the left side, the alkaline is very strong and give you a healthy water. Now, once again, this is the big difference. And I'm hoping if you enjoy this test, this compare between two machines. So once again, thank you very much for your watching this video shortly. Hoping you enjoy the testing that I'm trying to prove it to you. Once again, thank you and have a good day.